In our last lesson, we were learning about different kinds of nouns, count nouns and non-count nouns. Let's join the class as they begin to review about count and non-count nouns.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Okay.
You're okay?
Excellent.
Excellent. Very good. Good. Well, we're going to quickly review what you learned in the last lesson. We learned about count and non-count nouns, right? So nouns that we can count, nouns that we cannot count, and how we use them differently in sentences. So I'm going to quiz you guys and see, is that a count noun or a non-count?
No, count.
Non-count. I say there was a lot of snow. That's right. I don't say snows. There was lots of snows. Okay? Dishes. Count. I would say there were many dishes in the sink. Right?
No count.
Fog. Count or non-count?
No count.
Non-count. Let's use fog in a sentence. There was a lot of fog in the morning. Very good. Oh, I skipped one. How about this one? House. Count or non-count? Count. Can we count? Let's use it. On my street, there are
3 houses.
3 houses. Right. Remember, with count nouns, we can add an S, right, to show plural. With non-count nouns, we don't add an S, like snow, right? We just leave it. And also, one thing that we've just been doing, is to take it a little bit further, is when it's a count noun, I say, there are many houses, or there are 3 houses. When I'm using a non-count noun, do I say there are many fog? No. I say there is a lot of fog, right?
Do you say fog?
Fogs. No, because it's a non-count, right? So let's just practice a few more and then we're going to move on. You guys remember this very, very well.
Well, let's review of some of what the teacher said and add just a little bit to it. Do you remember some nouns are easy to count, like books? If you have more than one, you just give it a number. You say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. And it's very easy to count. You point at them and just say 1, 2, 3. So when we make a count noun plural, you give it a number and you add S to it. And then there are other things that we don't treat that way. We have things like we said, like rice. Could you count all the individual pieces of rice in here, all the individual grains? No, I don't think so. It would take a very long time. So, do you remember the rule for what is a count noun and what is a non-count noun? If something is a liquid, like water, it's a non-count noun. If something is a gas, something like air or oxygen, it's a non-count noun. If something is a solid, but it comes in many, many little pieces, like rice or sand or snow or coffee, these are non-count nouns.
We're going to move on to asking questions. Do you like to ask questions? Yes.
It's my favorite thing.
It's your favorite thing. Well, this lesson is for you. Good. So, Vika, when is your birthday?
On the 26th of October.
Okay. Marta, what is your mother's name?
Tanya.
Okay, my mother's name is Tanya. Okay, very good. Tanya, how many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, good. Did you hear some of the words that I used when I was asking you questions?
Yeah.
What are some question words? I want to see if you know first. Anybody know? Oh, I didn't ask you a question. What are some question words, Alisa? What are some words that we use to ask questions?
Do you have some brothers or sisters?
Okay, do you have? Oh, how about the one I used to ask you the question? What?
What is your mother's
Yeah, I'm saying what. I'm asking you what. I'm going to show you some of these. Here we go. Here's the first one. What? Okay, let's make a question with what. Ask me a question using what.
What is this?
Very good. What is this? When we're using what, we're trying to find out more information, right? About something. We've got another one. When? Let's use a question with when. When will you go out? Very good. When is asking about a time frame, right? Where? Where is Chernobyl? Very good. Where is asking about location. Maps, it's asking, that's right, about a location of something. Where is my watch? I don't know. It's on my wrist. Okay, next one. Which?
Which road you have to go?
That's right. Which road do we have to take? Now, which is asking for specific direction when there are many options. Okay. Oh, who is that? I don't know. Who is asking about a person, right? People.
Oh, who knows?
Who knows? That's not a question, though. That's right. That's your answer. And one more. How?
How do you do this?
How do you do this? Very good.
How many?
How many what? That's not a complete question. How many?
How many?
How many do you have?
Do you wear?
Oh, how many shoes did you buy? Oh, if you went shopping, maybe you bought a lot. That's right. So how many is actually asking about a set number of things. When we're asking how do you braid your hair? How do you clean your room? How do I do the dishes? How is asking for details on doing something. Okay? It's helping us to do something. So you guys are all very good. You know all of these.